The Greater Binghamton Chambers Business of the Week is sponsored by Visions Federal Credit Union.
The Animal Care Sanctuary in Pennsylvania is the Greater Binghamton Chamber Business of the Week. Located in Milan, Animal Care Sanctuary has been an adoption center and shelter for animals for over 55 years. The kennel lead, Jesse O'Connor, says this time of year the shelter is housing over 150 cats and 30 to 40 dogs. On its website, you can filter through all of the animals that are currently up for adoption. O'Connor says you can even set up your own profile, and the Animal Care Sanctuary will help choose an animal that best suits your lifestyle.
So you can go online and apply for a specific animal. You can fill out a form to let us know, kind of what you're looking for in a pet, what your lifestyle is like, so we can match you. Or if you want to just stop in, we do same-day adoptions. You can call to make an appointment. Lots of options.
The shelter has an animal clinic, groomers, and boarding options available. O'Connor says as the weather gets warmer, the shelter receives an influx of kittens. They could always use more donations of toys and food. To find more information and to possibly adopt an animal, visit animalcaresanctuary.org.